So we're going to place it underneath the hip. Make sure that it's at a corner, you know, to get to that TFL. So I'm going to have this leg move forward, resting that knee on the floor, and you're really gonna feel it. So you're really gonna feel the release here. If it's just a little bit too much, you can definitely break it by placing the other knee on the floor just to kind of get started. Just, you know, ease into it. Sometimes, you know, with these self-myofascial releases, they could definitely be a little bit painful, but it shouldn't be anything where it's like radiating pain as long as you are on the muscle. But these releases, it's just like deep tissue massage. Sometimes it can just feel a little painful, so you can ease into it. And then when you're ready, you can lengthen that back leg and then roll up and down. And all right, so we'll switch sides. Underneath your hip, again, bringing that upper knee forward to the side. And you want the roller to be just on the corner there of your other leg, of your hip.